Good morning. It's Thursday and I'm actually at work early. I do expect to get off at 2 or a little before that, maybe 1:30. Maybe 1:30. But they don't want us to get overtime, so we're going to get off at 2 at the latest, hopefully. Hopefully 2. Again, it depends on what I'm doing and whether or not I'm done with it. So yeah. So I totally did not get off at 2. I got off at like 2:15. But Ben got his first little bit of income tax.
Yeah.
Just a little bit. So we're gonna go eat at the Food Dude Burger Joint.
Yeah. They're a proud sponsor of WAH, so we're going to go and see what they're all about.
Yeah. 10% of proceeds are gonna go to WAH. Just giving back to the community. So yeah, we're gonna go check them out.
Hey, you guys. So we ate at the Food Dude.
Yeah.
It was like, I won't lie, the price was just a little bit out there, but it was still like under $30. So and it was worth it, totally worth it. I ended up getting a fried dude, which is basically a burger with well, the burger patty is, instead of on a grill, it's deep fried, and then they put a fried egg on top, and then they use like what looks like maybe Texas toast as bread. And yeah, she had the same. I had onion rings, she had tater tots, and then she had a Billy dog, which is a type of hot dog.
All I remember is that it had jalapenos and some sort of sauce.
Yeah. So, yeah, really good. Would definitely suggest, especially since they're a sponsor of WAH, definitely would suggest if you're in Oklahoma and you have the extra money.
Tell them what we're gonna do now.
So, originally, we had a friend coming over tomorrow to help me with my wrestling stuff, my wrestling gear, my outfit, my clothes.
Sorry, I should have gotten some water.
I hope she's okay.
I hope so too.
Just need to go get water. Anywho, that was the plan. We are not going to Bible study tonight. They canceled, and the rest of the group has decided they're not going to meet up. So instead, we are going to craft night, which is a part of our live action role play where people get together to craft different things. And we checked with the dude, and we were like, would you prefer to, would you want to do it tonight, or would you want to go ahead and just keep it for tomorrow? And he said that tonight would be fine. So we are now heading off to craft night, so that way we can get this nipped in the bud, taken care of.
Yeah. And we're gonna stay up till probably like 10 or 11.
Yeah! I mean, boo.
I'm not happy about it, but at the same time, like, this is something that Ben needs done, and I can get coffee tomorrow. I can get energy drinks tomorrow.
And with my experience in the past, I would rather just get it done and over with when we have the ability to.
Yeah.
But, anywho, that is where we are heading right now. We will probably do another segment either on the way back or, of course, our normal nighttime segment. Either way.
I was about to ask why that pickup truck seems to be leaking fluid, but we are right next to a car wash.
Oh, yes. So yeah, either way, we will see you in the next one. Hey, you guys.
It is after 11.
Yeah, we knew this would happen, but yeah, we chose to do it anyway.
Yeah, but it's okay. I get paid tomorrow. I can get an energy drink.
I got the V8s.
Yeah, you do have all the V8 ones.
No, I like those though. So
Yeah, they are really good. But you also get more sleep.
So I guess there was a big misunderstanding, and I guess the guy thought that I was just wanting like the idea, and that
Right.
I was going to do the work. So I kind of had to be like, I thought you were going. I guess I thought I was more clear about that. I don't have a sewing machine. Neither one of us have ever used a sewing machine really. Like, I thought you like the whole one of the reasons I was coming to you is I thought you were going to be doing this for me.
Yeah.
So he's still coming tomorrow
Yeah.
to help get it done.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. But for tonight,
it is definitely bedtime.
yeah, I'll probably only get 4 hours of sleep. But I'm tired. So we're gonna go bed now.
Yes.
With that, guys, we'll be done. Much love to you all.
Good
And
night.
thanks. Bye.